It always returns, every year. The yellow menace, pollen. And the wrong air filter could be making your spring allergies worse. So, what's actually the best air filter for spring allergies? For most homes, the best options are usually MERV 11 and MERV 13 filters. Anything lower may leave more allergy-triggering particles floating around your home. Anything higher could restrict airflow if your HVAC system isn't designed for it. Capturing allergens before they keep circulating through your home is one of the best ways to fight back during spring allergy season. During the season, it's a good idea to change your filter every 30 to 60 days for optimal performance. You can also help reduce allergens by keeping your windows closed, changing out of outdoor clothes when you get home, and washing your linens weekly. For severe allergy sufferers or renters without easy access to their HVAC filter, an air purifier with HEPA filtration can add another layer of support. If you're ready to breathe a little easier this spring, filtersfast.com makes it easy to find the right filter for your home. Delivered straight to your doorstep.